Hey, me. Seriously. Okay, guys. There's my freaky looking cat, Coco. Weirdo. But first, let me show you the cutest thing. She's like staring still. What? That cat is so weird. Look at these adorable, cute cats. How do I in this tiny box? Gracie and Mitzi. Nicknamed Beach Ball. Hey, Fluffy. Fluffy, beautiful cat cuddling in this tiny box. Like, how adorable, fluffy little kitties. Here is Doofy. Hey, Doofy. Watch it. No clawing girls. Guys, right there you see Tiggy Wiggy. He's a fat cat, really big, humongous cat. There's OJ. Hey, OJ. And here's Tiny. Hey, Tiny. Tiny Bubbles. Or Tiny behind you. He has all kinds of made up last names. Here's Charky. He lives out here. Hey, Charky. There's Charky. There he is again at the door. Mitten again is giving you a tour of my cat. Do. Okay, that cat is just. Oh. And there's OJ again. Hey, OJ. Look at the adorable. Oh, it's only Beach Ball. Now, she's getting out. Look at beautiful, lovely Gracie. She's my favorite. Here's Weird Freak again. Beach Ball. I make name Beach Ball because she's kind of chunky. Chunky fat cat. Beautiful Gracie. Mitzi cat. Mitten. Oh, come on. Don't hack in the video. Coco running down the hall. Hey guys, my mom's yelling at me to get to bed. Doofy one last time. Let's see Tiggy. Sorry, I don't want you to see anyone else. Tiggy. Hey, Tiggy. Old cat. And yes, there's a yellow kitten that lives in the basement with other people downstairs. My house is not like a 2-apartment thing. That's just made. Look, it's on the floor. See, guys. There's the yellow kitten. You might see him in Barbie Goes to an Exercise Place, part 2 or part 3, or some part, I don't know. Don't forget about Tiny. Okay, guys, here's Tiny. Okay, guys, let's look at my favorite cat. Gracie now. Bye, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye.